Hi, I'm Kim Sherwood and I deal with sales and marketing for RSVP Design. I would like to introduce you to Simbols, which is one of RSVP Design's experiential learning activities. Simbols is an excellent communication and project management activity. It addresses communication skills, team planning and implementation, process improvement and leadership. Simbols has a number of applications. You can use Simbols to identify different learning and thinking styles in a team, or to refine a process to improve operational performance. We have also seen the team version of Simbols, which is included when you purchase Simbols, be used to simulate 3 sub-teams coming together to deliver a final project. Simbols works best with groups of between 5 and 15 participants and takes around 45 minutes to run. The materials for Simbols are 1 game board, 30 magnetic cards, each with 4 symbols on them, and a full facilitator manual. This all comes in a portfolio case which is very easy to carry around and transport. Every RSVP activity is a one-off purchase and there is no license, and the product is yours to use as many times as you require. So, how does Simbols work? The 30 magnetic cards are distributed among the group. The participants do not show anyone their cards but proceed by describing the symbols on their cards to the other team members. In this short clip which follows, you can hear an example of a delegate describing a symbol on one of their cards.
That I'm looking at here, then there's different types. So I have one with there is a black line at the bottom and an arrow coming out. Then that could be classified as an arrow.
I've got one of those.
Alright, so then I also have what is a broken off arrow, if I look at it this way.
What would you mean by broken off?
It's a piece that kind of it goes like this, and there's a symbol at the top. So it's that could be a broken arrow as well. And then I've got just a black triangle, which you could be classifying as an arrow. So I don't know what your arrows are, but I've got some arrows.
While describing the symbols, participants must then work out the correct orientation in which the cards go onto the board. The group then have a time trial at the end to place the cards on the A2 board in the correct pattern. There is only one correct answer to this. By doing Simbols, a team develops key skills that are of significant value in team briefing, coaching, instructing and delegating task responsibility to others. They learn to develop a common language which is understood by all team members while realising the importance of clear, concise communication. A client of ours has previously used Simbols on an impact and influencing programme, and it proved extremely effective in highlighting significant learning points in the use of language and behaviour. Simbols has also been used with managers working in their own individual offices where there was many cultures, no common purpose and no streamlined process. 2 packs of Simbols were used and run in parallel, and they then reviewed and discussed best practice. I hope this has given you a clearer understanding of Simbols, but if you still have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch by calling us or dropping an email to sales@rsvpdesign.co.uk. Thank you very much.